Notion just made the agent even stronger. The agent now creates forms for you with some unique twists, because creating forms can be time consuming if you do it manually yourself. So in this video I want to show you how to do that with the agent and also what are the current limitations. For those who don't know me, my name is Leon and I'm verified by Notion with all of their 3 badges, and here is Forms with Agents. By the way, if you don't want to miss videos like this, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Now let me show you what we want to build. We want to build this help desk, the form intake for the help desk database. So we have the entries category, priority, description. Then we have a requester and a created time. And for the form, we want to have the name, the category, the priority, and the description. So now let's replicate this here. And at the end of the video, I will also tell you the current limitations to keep in mind when creating forms with the agent. But before that, 2 quick disclaimer. I will link the video material in the description down below as usual. But from now on, I will link this section here for free in the description and the whole demo in the description if you sign up to my email newsletter. So just for free, you can duplicate this here. And if you want to have the whole demo, including this finished version over here, you can just use the other link where you sign up to my email newsletter and you will get access to the whole demo. On top, there is a cal link in the video description with a limited number of free calls. They are literally free, where you can ask me any questions and I can help you with your problems. And this is literally for free, so sign up if you want, but now let's move on with the video. Now here, back in our demo database, I will open the agent and I prompt the agent to create a form based on this database and use the properties name, category, priority, and descriptions. So for now, let's send this off. Now it prepared something I can see, and now I can say create the form. And you can see now we have the exact same form. Name, category, priority, description. We don't have the same name, but this is my mistake. I could have prompted this in here, and no icon, but it is from the properties the same as you saw at the start of the video. You can also incorporate that when you build a database, because the agent can also build databases from scratch, and then you can say build me a database and also incorporate a form for intake. Now let me tell you about the current limitations as of today. On the business and enterprise plan, you have the possibility to add conditional logic to your forms. This is something that the agent can't handle at the moment. So it can't create forms and use conditional logic. And on top, if you add conditional logic manually to your form, the agent is no longer able to edit the form. 2 other things that are not possible at the moment is it can't toggle on the description. If there was a description for a category, you'd have to do this manually. And it can't unsync this question from the underlying property. But otherwise, I think this is a really useful feature. Let me know in the comments if you will use this or not, and if I maybe missed something that is also possible with the agent. But now you know how to create forms with the agent. If you want to learn more about this, watch this video over here. Stay consistent. See you.